In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Trello to Zapier step by step so you can automate your workflows and save a huge amount of time. Whether you want to automatically create Trello cards from form submissions, move cards when tasks are completed, or connect Trello with apps like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets, this setup is the first and most important step. I'll walk you through everything from start to finish, and by the end of this video, your Trello account will be fully connected to Zapier and ready for automation. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier.com. If you already have an account, click Login in the top right corner. If not, click Sign Up and create a free account. Zapier does offer paid plans, but you can connect Trello using the free plan to get started. Once you're inside your Zapier dashboard, click on the Create button in the top left, then select Zaps. A zap is simply an automation that connects two apps together. Every zap starts with a trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. In the trigger search bar, type Trello and select it from the list of apps. Zapier will now ask you to choose a trigger event. For example, you might choose New Card, Card Move to List, or New Board. For this tutorial, let's select New Card as an example. After selecting your trigger event, click Continue. Now you'll be prompted to connect your Trello account. Click on Sign In next to the account field. A new window will pop up asking you to authorize Zapier to access your Trello account. If you're not already logged into Trello, you'll be asked to sign in first. Review the permissions carefully. Zapier needs access to read and manage your boards and cards in order to automate actions. Once you're ready, click Allow to grant access. After authorization, your Trello account will now appear as a connected account inside Zapier. Select it and click Continue. Next, Zapier will ask you to set up the trigger details. Choose the Trello board you want Zapier to monitor, then select the specific list if required. Once you've selected the correct board and list, click Continue. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent card from your Trello board to confirm the connection is working properly. If the test is successful and you see sample card data appear on the screen, that means Trello is successfully connected to Zapier. Click Continue to move forward. At this point, your Trello account is fully connected. Now you can add an action step to complete your automation. Click the plus icon and choose the app you want Trello to connect with, such as Google Sheets, Slack, Gmail, or another Trello action. Then simply follow the prompts to connect that app and customize what happens when the trigger runs. Once everything is set up, click Publish to turn on your Zap. From now on, Zapier will automatically monitor Trello and run your automation whenever the trigger event happens. And that's it. You've successfully connected Trello to Zapier and tested the integration. From here, you can build powerful automations that eliminate repetitive work and streamline your processes. If this video helped you connect Trello to Zapier, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.